Hello there, Han. Were you surprised? And just like that, we are 25 years. And by the amazing grace of God, we are still going strong.
Jess sa Saragosa, ganito pala kamahal ng kanyang asawa na si Dingdong Abansado. Ngayong ika-25th year anniversary nila bilang mag-asawa ay hindi nagdalawang isip si Dingdong Abansado na muli ay pakasalan ang kanyang misis na si Jessa. Ito nga ang kanilang renewal of vow matapos ang 25th year nilang mag-asawa. Nakakatuwa at talagang nakakaiyak ang moment na ito dahil hindi akalain ni Jessa na muli ay ikakasal siya. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Maski nga si Dingdong Abansado ay hindi mapigilan ang kanyang mga luha nang lumabas na ang kanyang misis na gulat na gulat. Talagang nakakatuwa si Dingdong dahil mahal na mahal si Jessa. Biruin mo sa loob ng 25 years ay hindi nagbabago ang kanyang pag-ibig kay Jessa. Mananatiling magkasama hanggang sa pagtanda.
Handa ako. Oo. Teka muna. Buti na lang pwedeng basahin. Pwede bang basahin? Hindi ko memorize. Okay. Hello there, Han. Were you surprised? And just like that, we are 25 years. And by the amazing grace of God, we are still going strong.
The sweetest surprise of Dingdong Abansado to Jessa Saragosa. Ang akala nga lang ni Jessa Saragosa ay mag-a-attend lang siya ng isang jewelry company launch and she was asked to wear white. Upon entering the ballroom, ready to sing, she saw a room filled with familiar faces of family and friends. And of course, she saw Dingdong and Jada waiting in the aisle. Absolutely not a dry eye in the room. Congratulations again, you two, and thank you for trusting us to document this important milestone. Isa sa pinakainabangan ng mga netizens ay ang pagpapalitan nila ng wedding vows ni Dingdong Abansado at Jessa. Sobrang nakakaiyak, nakakatouch ang mga sinabi ni Dingdong para sa kanyang asawa.
Alam mo, nakilala ako dahil sa 3.25, di ba? At dahil doon, dumami na ang mga 25 dumating sa buhay ko. Pero, sa lahat ng 25 na aking natamasa, itong 25 na ito, ang pinakamasaya at pinakamahalaga. Dahil kasama kitang nakamit ito. Our journey to forever is more alive than ever. And it still amazes me to think that despite all that we have experienced, the challenges and intrigues of being a couple in showbiz, we still have managed to stay together. Diba? And I can honestly and proudly say that I am more in love with you today than when we first started. Kayo ah. Hirap masahin. So to the woman who holds my heart, thank you for loving me in my good days as well as my bad days. Thank you for being by my side through the highs and lows of our lives. And know this, I promise to continue loving you till my last breath. Marisa, huwag kang ganyan. Till our Lord takes me away to be with Him. Allow me to quote an excerpt from one of your favorite songs. Now we're stronger than before. We've made it through. I've never felt more sure because of you. Believe in me, because I am here to stay. And I will love you till they take my heart away. I love you, honey.
Marami nga ang nagkomento ng mapanood ang video ng second wedding ni Jessa at Dingdong. Sabi nga ni Marge Rocas, grabe, 25 years to, parang hindi tumatanda. Napakaganda din talaga ni Jada, ang anak nitong si Jessa at nitong si Dingdong. Mula doon kay Betsy, they've never get age. They've grown stronger, even more beautifully together. What a great testament of love. Na kay Alice Maranan, wow, the words of Mr. Dingdong Avanzado for Miss Jessa Saragosa, 3.25, truly meaningful to them. At mula naman kay Johanny Sanglay, ramdam na ramdam ko yung love nila sa isa't isa. Sana ganyan pa din palagi kahit matagal na, nakakaiyak, mapapasa na all ka na lang talaga. At mula naman kay Cosina Canor, ito dapat ang tularan ng mga kapwa nila artista. Congratulations po mga idol. God bless your family. At mula naman si Waray. Congratulations and best wishes both of you, Mr. and Mrs. Avanzado. God bless. We love you, Jada Avanzado. At mula naman kay Noni Fast, congratulations. Parang hindi sila tumatanda. Ang ganda pa rin ni Miss Jessa. Siyang tunay naman talaga na talagang hindi tumatanda si Jessa Saragosa. Mas lalo pa siyang gumaganda at mas nahiyang sa buhay may asawa. At mula naman kay Iskelim Buena, happy 25 years to both of you. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness and love that will only continue to grow stronger. At mula naman kay Ems Caps, perfect. Happy anniversary to you both and all the best for your upcoming to another 25 years. At inabay naman ni Dingdong Avanzado ang kanyang kaisa-isang anak na si Jada. Siyempre hindi pwedeng mawala sa importanteng okasyon na ito ang kanilang napakagandang anak na kamukhang-kamukha ng kanyang misis na si Jessa Saragosa. Ang anak nila si Jada ay hangang-hanga sa relasyon ng kanyang mga magulang. So admiring couple. 30 years wedding in a row. Sana makapag-renew din kami ng ganyan. Pero hirap ng buhay. Parang malabo na. Sa daming gastusin para sa anak. Hoping one day maisip ng mga anak ko kahit simple lang, okay na ako. Mula yan sa tagahanga na mag-asawa na si Perlin Soberano.